Hello guys, this is Vijay. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about loops concepts. In the previous video we have seen a basic for loop, how it works in a basic way. So in today's video we will see how a while loop will be working and we will dive deeper into these loops concepts. So let's get started without getting any delay. So first let me introduce you with the while loop, which is very common in all programming languages. So such a loop will repeat a block of code over and over again and again. So in the text editor, let me open previous file name called cat.py, which we have coded in the previous class. So let's open it from here through VS Code. This way we will open the VS Code and program the code. So let's remove this for loop which we have written in the previous video and write a for loop, while loop. Let me first initiate I value as 3. So I want a loop to be repeated 3 times. So using a while loop, how can we implement this for while loop, which can be iterated over 3 times. So if we write like this, while I not equals to 0, print the cat sound and let me decrement the value of I. So this way the loop may run 3 times. If we avoid this condition, the loop will continue to execute infinite times. So this is how we can write a while loop. And let me run this program from the terminal by using the command python cat.py. Before that, you need to confirm that you are in the right location, working location, where the file resides in your folder. So ensure that you are in correct location and run the correct command called python space file name. So this way we will execute the Python code which we have written in that file. So let me run this one. See, you can see the output which is coming repeatedly as 3 times in the new line. So this is how a while loop can be implemented in our program. If we avoid that condition of decrementing, you can see the difference now. Let me remove that condition and save and just run the code. Let me show you the output, how it works. Python cat.py. So this way you can see there is an infinite output which never ends by printing the cat sound. So there is no end for this program. So this will continue to run over and over again and again. So to stop this program, this kind of programs, you can use the keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+C, which will interrupt the program in between to stop the program. So let me open the previous file and write the condition back again to stop the program for 3 times itself. I equals to I minus 1. So this way we can write the while loop in the same way as for loop has done. So this condition can be written shorter way by writing I minus equals to 1. This way we can state that I equals to I minus 1. This is a Pythonic way of writing I equals to I minus 1. So shorthand way. So this is called a shorthand way of writing I equals to I minus 1. So we will write now with the different conditions. We will iterate the same print statement 3 times by writing it something differently. So see now, I am initiating this I value with 1, and I am continuing till when I is less than 3. So this way I will increment. Instead of decrementing the variable I am incrementing from 1 to 3. So this way we will iterate over the while loop for 3 times. So let me run the code from the terminal. You can see the output now as python cat.py. This command will run our file, and this way we are going to get 2 times itself, because we have started I with 1 and we are not including the value 3. So you can see in VS Code it is printed for 1 and 2 values itself. 3 is excluded in this. So if we include the 3 as well, then the bug in this program will be fixed. So this way, let me run the program once again. Now you can see the program runs 3 times. So this is how a while loop works in our program. If you want to understand it even better, I will just show you a flowchart of how it works in this whiteboard. So let's start. This is our starting of a program. This is start, which will be indicated by an oval shape, and then we will be initiating a variable called I with I equals to 0. This way we can represent by a rectangle, and then we will write a condition for which we will ask I. This is a rhombus shape which will be asking the program compiler whether I is less than 3 or not. We have started with 0 and we are checking whether the I value is less than 3 or not. If it is true, then it is going to be executed this path. If it is true, if it is false, then we are going to stop. If it is true, we are going to print the cat sound. So this way we will be printing cat sound. And then after that we will be iterating over this, asking the same question again. If it is true, we are printing the cat sound and asking the same question again by decrementing in between. If we try to decrement the value, not decrement, if we try to increment the value by 1, I equals to I plus 1, then this way we can trigger the false path when I is less than 3. If this condition is going to be ignored, then the loop will exist infinite times. The true path continuously executes and never stops the program. So this is how a flowchart looks like for our program while loop. Hope you understand, and thanks for watching.